Well, I really like that I get to do the stuff that I like to do, like building bikes. Being able to create something that serves a purpose is, I really like it. It's a lot of satisfaction.
Learning with your hands it grabs your attention a little bit better, and having like Josiah said, like a functioning thing that you've created puts a lot of value in that time you've just spent.
So the partners actually, other than just exchange for free office space, they get to be a part of a learning community, which we've found there are so many people that want to get into public education. They want to have some sort of connection to a public school, and they have no idea how to get started. So we're actually reaching out to them and inviting them in to be in the building with us so they can see how they can start to meet some of these kids and start to integrate with them with what they're doing in their business.
I just think it's good to have kids learning with people outside of their strict school environment.
I think the big key for us is designing a curriculum that's really project-based, where it's not around creating an assignment that is disconnected from everything else, but it's around how does that assignment fit into 3 or 4 different disciplines in a way that they see that this is one piece of the bigger project.
Students can be more creative and do whatever they want to do, and it usually turns out pretty well most of the time.
Holding on. Yeah, I'm holding on. Yeah, you're holding on. These students come in and they will come up with ideas I never would have thought about because they don't know any better. They've never been told what they can't do. I think right now the remarkable thing about this school would be seeing kids get inspired when they learn about something and then they actually do it and they see the results, and then and even if they mess up the first time, they have the ability to refine what they're doing and keep making it better and just seeing how the process goes, because that's how the world works.
Studying fractions or ratios may seem like a boring task in a math class, but when you're dealing with a 3-dimensional design in SolidWorks or Fusion 360, they see on a daily basis how those ratios are so important, and they have to master those skills early on.
Because it allows you to actually relate to what you're doing and understand that it's important, and not just that it's some concept that some mathematician or somebody developed 1,000 years ago.
I think the biggest excitement is just seeing how so many of our students have just taken ownership over being a part of this community. That they have started to see it as their own, something that they're protective of, something that they see as their own identity, that they feel like they're a part of something bigger than themselves, which is the biggest thing you could ask for.